I sing a song.
Perfect. Good job.
I draw a picture.
Wonderful.
Do you play games?
Yes.
I play badminton.
Do you play every day?
Yes, I play every day.
Yes, I play cricket.
I play only on.
Because I work on other days. Sundays.
Why only Sunday? Oh, I understand.
Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play with my friends.
Do they speak English?
No, they do not speak English.
Then speak English with me.
Okay, now I speak English with you.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, I eat ice cream.
Ice cream.
I eat vanilla ice cream.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
I do not drink coffee.
Why not?
Because I drink tea.
I drink tea sometimes.
I drink tea every day.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk.
I drink milk too.
I feel happy when I speak with you.
I feel happy too.
Yes, I listen to you.
You listen to me.
I never laugh at you.
You never laugh at me.
Yes, I encourage you.
You encourage me.
Thank you.
You are a good friend. I respect you.
I respect you too.
Sunday?
What do you do on Sundays?
I go to the park.
I go to the market.
I play football.
I buy vegetables.
I cook food with my.
Mother.
I eat food with my family.
I watch TV in the evening.
I read a book in the evening.
I sleep early on Sunday.
I sleep late on Sunday.
Do you travel to new places?
Yes, I travel sometimes.
I do not travel.
Why not?
I do not have time.
You should travel.
Yes, I want to travel. Do you like the beach?
Beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
I like the mountains.
I like the sea.
I like the trees.
Do you write a diary?
Yes, I write a diary.
I do not write a diary.
You should write.
Why?
Because writing helps English.
Oh, I understand.
I write every night.
What do you write?
I write about my day.
That is nice. You can try too.
Okay, I will try.
English songs?
Yes,
I listen to Hindi songs.
I listen.
Do you understand English songs?
I listen to both.
Sometimes I do not understand.
Sometimes I understand.
I like soft songs.
I like fast songs.
I practice with you and I feel good.
That is very good.
Do you think I improve?
Yes, you improve every day.
Do you believe in me?
Yes, I believe in you.